Alright, I guess I'll take you with me. 안녕하세요, 월터입니다.
그리고 저는 김호랑입니다.
That. You too. Sorry. Yeah.
Built to get Animal Crossing edition.
Yeah.
I always wanted to have this go kart one.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty. I think you'll like it. Yep. I think it's gonna work well for you. It's really cute.
Yes, very cute. I like this color.
Yeah.
I just feel sad that I can't get that,
Very unique because gray and purple. Only me.
You lost one in taxi.
Yep, that's what happened. You didn't have to tell everybody that, but that's okay. Yep.
It's pretty cool. I like it.
So you got a couple minutes.
Faster! Make it faster.
I've done everything I can. I'm in pajamas. I thought we were done for the day. I mean, I know that's not true because we're going to have to go and get more food and alcohol at some point. And that's probably going to be me.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Yes.
It's gonna be you.
Yes, that'll be you. What's happening?
Dying.
Actually, are we gonna play on Simlish? Are we gonna play with the sound, or are we gonna like play it silently and watch movies? Do you want to hear the? Okay.
My boyfriend made me wait too far. But he's making my drink, so thank you.
I knocked it over because you screamed out loud.
Rare, enjoy the moment.
Yeah!
조리퐁. 김호랑.
And gin. One thing of pickles, pizza school. Jeez. 3 pizzas.
Ta-da! Show me. What did you get for you?
Apple cinnamon. So, one funny thing that's going to happen for this is don't fall. It's going to be interesting to see what everyone's hair looks like at the end of this, since it's going to be tough for the people who are used to having short hair. So it's a surprising side effect that I hadn't thought about, but
Me too.
yeah, I don't want to decide to do for my next job, I guess. It's I'll probably just keep it. Don't bite me.
Don't tell me what to do. Ah!
Nick. See if my hair looks okay. I hate having a hoodie up. I just can't do it. Alright, let's get out of here. I gotta go home. Now. Alright, now I guess I'll take you with me. Yeah. Making sure we get those weeds.